Everyone thinks influencers are the future. But what if I told you they're already being replaced by code? Meet the next generation of creators. They don't sleep. They don't age. They don't make mistakes. And they never miss an upload. By 2030, you might not even know if your favorite YouTuber is human. In this episode, you'll see exactly how AI is taking over YouTube. Not in the distant future, but right now. We'll break down how AI influencers are created and trained, why brands prefer them over real humans, and how you can use this same technology before it replaces you. Because if you understand what's coming, you won't get replaced. You'll evolve. Let's start with one name, Lil Miquela. A virtual influencer with over 3 million followers, who doesn't exist. She's never eaten, never slept, and never made a single human mistake. And yet, she's landed sponsorships with Prada, Samsung, and Calvin Klein. Sounds futuristic, right? That was 2018. Fast forward to now, AI avatars can speak, act, and think with the help of generative tools like Sora, Synthesia, and Runway. Entire faceless channels are run by scripts and synthetic personalities that adapt in real time to viewer comments and trends. And here's the twist: the audience doesn't care anymore. If the story is good, if the face feels real, and the emotion connects, authenticity has gone digital. But here's the part no one's ready for. AI isn't just creating videos, it's studying human psychology to make better ones. Some of the largest AI labs are secretly testing models that analyze millions of hours of YouTube content to understand what keeps you watching. That means your next favorite influencer might be an algorithm that knows your attention span better than you do. And before this video ends, I'll show you the moment one AI influencer crossed the line and made viewers question reality itself. Look, this isn't some sci-fi movie. It's already happening, quietly, behind your feed. AI creators don't need cameras, lighting, or editing teams. They don't burn out, they don't cancel themselves, and they don't age out. While human influencers spend hours writing scripts, AI just hits generate. Thousands of synthetic YouTubers are uploading daily, auto-optimized for every audience on Earth. It's wild, and kind of scary. So what happens when AI starts competing directly with human charisma? Imagine an AI vlogger who learns your favorite words, your tone, even your sense of humor. Imagine it reacting to you in the comments section, learning from your replies to become your perfect creator. That's the power of adaptive neural creators. And they're coming faster than anyone expected. Here's the crazy part. Some companies are already building AI creator farms, entire studios that generate hundreds of lifelike influences at once. Each with its own backstory, accent, and style, all designed by data. They can upload 1,000 videos a day. And they never ask for a paycheck. So yeah, AI won't just replace influencers. It'll flood the algorithm. But here's where things get dark. The moment AI creators become indistinguishable from humans, who controls the message? When a synthetic influencer can push a product, promote an idea, or shift opinions, who's really pulling the strings? The company, the algorithm, or the AI itself? What happens after AI replaces influences might just change democracy itself. If you want to stay ahead of this revolution, don't just watch the future, decode it. Subscribe to this channel, and join the few who'll understand what's really coming. Because by the time everyone else notices, the influences of tomorrow will already be machines. Decode tomorrow, today.